Question number 1. Which organization releases data on India's current account deficit? So answer will be option number A, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 2. What is the target for India's export by 2030 as per the newly unveiled foreign trade policy? So option number C will be right answer, USD 2 trillion. Question number 3. Which government body is responsible for implementing the New India Literacy Program? So answer number D will be correct answer, National Literacy Mission Authority. Question number 4. Which state has become the first state in India to have 100% electrified railway network? So option number C will be right answer, Haryana. Question number 5. Which state T has recently been granted a European Geographical Indication tag? So answer will be option number C, Kangra. Question number 6. Which country failed to qualify directly for the ICC Cricket World Cup 2023? So answer will be option number C, Sri Lanka. When and where will the ICC Cricket World Cup 2023 be held? So option will be A will be right answer, 2023 in India. Question number 8. Who was Sarah Thomas? So option number C will be right answer, a novelist and short story writer. When was RBI Foundation Day observed in 2023? Answer will be option number D, 1st April. And the last question of the day, how many member does NATO have after Finland's approval? So answer will be option number D, 31. Thank you for watching.